In this SQL challenge, we are going to learn how to solve a medium difficulty problem called like posts by Meta. The question is actually pretty easy if you know how to interpret the problem. From the question, we are tasked with finding the number of posts that received a like reaction. And we are given two tables to work with. The first table is called Facebook reactions. This table contains the columns date, friend, post ID, poster, and reaction. The second table is called Facebook posts. This table includes the columns post date, post ID, post keywords, post text, and poster. If we look at the reactions table closely, the table contains the key columns post ID and reaction to answer the question already. We do not need the Facebook posts table for this query, as the problem is strictly about counting likes. To solve this problem, the first step is to identify all the unique post IDs where the reaction is like. In the SQL query, let's select the like reaction records to see what the dataset looks like. In the output, we can see that a single post can receive multiple like reactions from different friends. To avoid duplicate counts, let's return only the unique post IDs using the distinct keyword. From the output, we can easily see that only 4 posts return. And to return only the number of posts that received a like reaction, we can use the count function to count the records. Now click Check Solution to mark the solution as solved. That is everything I'm going to cover for this tutorial. Hopefully, you guys find this video useful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.